Open your present.
Oh, I just opened one.
Oh.
Don't say anything.
Lucy's.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god, Rory, it's so cute! Oh my goodness! He's so cute!
Where's Lucy? Oh, it's a shoe. Oh, that's so Can I hold him, Allison?
Lindsay, you squeal first.
It scared me. I thought you had a rat. I was like, she wanted a hamster. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That is the cutest hamster I have ever seen.
Isn't he cute?
Oh my gosh. Daddy, who got him? He's so soft. Where did you get him?
I found him.
Where?
I flipped a log out back. Just went and looked for one. That's all you gotta do is look for them. They're there.
Isn't he adorable?
Oh my gosh. Where's Allison going to keep him?
Oh, Daddy's gonna keep.
I was going to say you might want to open up another present.
Here, Lindsay, give Allison her hamster. And if you'll go in there and get the cage out of the office, but carry it by the bottom. Don't carry it by the handle on top.
I already know what I'm going to name him.
Well, he has a name.
No.
He does?
No.
You can name him anything you want.